Welcome to the Windows Club. If you wish to enable or disable trusted documents in Word, Excel or PowerPoint, then either read through this article on the Windows Club or simply watch this video. I will guide you through the procedure. Let us take Excel for example. The procedure will remain the same for the other applications. Click on File, scroll down to More, select Options. For some users, options might be in the direct window. Then go to the Trust Center tab on the list on the left hand side. In the right pane, click on Trust Center Settings. Then in the Trust Setting window, go to the Trusted Documents tab. There's an option which reads Disable Trusted Documents. If you wish to keep the trusted documents enabled, then keep it unchecked. If you wish to disable them, check this and click on OK and then click on OK once again. Isn't this easy and interesting? If you have any doubts, please go to the original article on the Windows Club, scroll down to the comment section and write your query. We will surely answer to it. Do not forget to subscribe to the channel. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.